Hi YouTube friends. First and foremost, happy Father's Day to my dad, who's gonna see this and then be mad that I said it. But yeah, your dad, so happy Father's Day. As you see in the video before this one, I had to do work at my dad's house on their deck because Buddy got hurt. So, well, I built them a ramp, but I used all of Sean's tools and all of our Milwaukee stuff that we use for work. I personally only have a DeWalt that I got from a pawn shop that is dying. It has power, but it doesn't. It's a nice setup, but it sucks. But has one battery. So today, as payment for my little project, I got to go to Lowe's with Pops and Jotun. She hates me filming her face, so
close-ups of my face.
There it is. Say something nice.
I'm in my pajamas.
But me, her, and Dad got to go to the store and got to leave with an awesome tool haul.
Somebody wants to video.
Thankfully, we went for Father's Day because we lucked out. But anyway, here's what we got with. We got a pretty good setup. Well, not pretty good. It's probably the best setup we could get for the money. But it's the Kobalt 24 volt max brushless kit. This guy comes with a Sawzall, impact driver, drill driver, a flashlight. It was like $100 off. Then we got the brushless circular saw, tool only kit.
Remy, get out of the video.
It doesn't matter, leave him alone.
He has this chicken.
Then we got the batteries. We got 2 extra batteries. Unlike the Milwaukee set where the batteries are about $100 a piece, those guys cost 20, which is awesome. But the cool kicker, since it was Father's Day, if you bought this, you got this for free. A 227 piece mechanics tool set. Another awesome deal. Also, since it was Father's Day, there was this guy for $21. Has all the impact stuff and Remington's chicken. Then to top it all off, we found a Kobalt 2-gallon 125 psi air compressor, which will be nice for the garage. Working on the new project that you guys don't know about yet. All this was mainly for a project you have no idea about, but Jordan is all giddy about.
Me and Kim are both.
And Kimber.
She's getting mad.
What are you doing, Liver?
Getting mad. You're okay. It's just a video. Say hi.
Hey, Kimber. And then Remy.
He wants in the video in the worst way.
Okay. These two are idiots. But
Oh, thanks.
that was our Father's Day haul. Awesome setup. We spent $530 some after tax. So we got an awesome deal. That tool, that mechanics kit alone is $200 if you bought it normal. But we got it for free. There's Remington.
Oh, give him kisses on the YouTube.
But
dang.
anywho, we'll see you in the next one. Maybe I'll unbox everything and I'll show you some more. But we'll see you in the next one. Make sure you hit the like button. You subscribe to our channel because we need that. We need you to watch more of our videos. But yeah, see you in the next one.